Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm not going to teach you anything. Akshay will not teach you anything, but we are collaborating in this video and we will be ranking chemical engineering subjects from most difficult to the least difficult. This is completely our opinion and let's start. So let's start from top to bottom. Topmost being extremely difficult. Even if you give all your time and energy to these subjects, you won't be able to grasp them easily. Next, these are the difficult ones. Yes, they still give me a nightmare. Third, these are the average ones. If you develop interest in them, they are good to go. So the fourth tier consists of those subjects which doesn't require that much of time and energy. All you need to do is just pay attention in the class and yeah, that's it. Last, these are the easiest ones and you can study them a night before exam. That's it.
Yeah, so first one, what is it?
This one.
No, the subject.
Okay. So the first subject which we are going to talk about is transport phenomena.
Seriously? That okay.
Yes.
How how
Where should
was
I?
how was your experience?
Initially it was bad,
Okay.
but then yeah, after spending so much of time and energy, finally I got through this.
For
But
me,
it was a hard time.
honestly, I feel like I still haven't understood all the aspects of transport phenomena because there are some underlying concepts like tensors and all, I've not still understood it.
I was about to say that I still don't know tensors and all.
So hopefully my PhD is going to start soon, so I understand it then. Yeah,
Sure.
so I think I feel like am I dumb or something. So I think that was definitely a difficult. It's subject to change, but for now let's keep it on am I dumb?
True, true.
Yeah,
Then let's talk about some easy stuff.
yeah,
I feel process safety was very easy.
very
I just
easy.
studied it for like 4 or 5 hours before the exam and I was good to go.
I remember us giving the safety exam and totally chill. Previous day, I think I was even watching some anime and stuff. So
Yeah,
definitely,
yeah.
is it attend
Netflix
class
and
or
study.
pass or Netflix and study? What do you think?
I think it should be Netflix and study.
Okay, subject to change, but okay, let's keep it there for the time being. So
Yeah.
safety, huh? All
Yes.
right.
Next one, let's talk about process controls. What do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah.
I think up until now, at least until a bachelor's degree, I haven't we haven't studied controls during our master's degree, right? So I think we have an old school concept of process control, but I don't know. Maybe it's because of the curriculum. I haven't personally studied advanced process control in formally. I have done my own readings. So
Yeah.
I think, to be honest, I feel like it's a difficult subject. It's between work for it pass and still gives me nightmare. What's your opinion?
We haven't studied it in our masters, right? I think there should be a course in our masters only, like advanced process control. I think we should keep it in work for it pass.
Sure, let's do that.
Yeah, okay. Woohoo, now thermodynamics.
Still gives me nightmare. No question about it. What about you?
My God, I still haven't understood the concept of fugacity. What else you want me to say on this?
Fugacity, I mean, we have understood it, but not the essence, maybe. Like, I think at
Exactly.
one
That's
point I didn't did understand, but now I don't remember properly, so I need to brush up a bit about.
yeah, yeah. Okay, modeling and simulation.
You tell me first. I'll tell you after because I have worked some projects on modeling and simulation, so it's my thing, right? So, what about you? What do you think about this?
I think it should be attend class pass, I think. Or
Seriously,
work for it. Work for it and pass.
work for it and pass. See,
Yeah.
See, I think the two main equations that govern modeling and simulation is mass balance, energy balance. That's it. And honestly, yeah, I agree. It's attend class and pass, but we need to understand how to model some underlying phenomena, right?
The basics should be right.
Right. So, yeah, I agree with you. It's attend class and pass for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's it.
Everything has one subject each. Interesting.
Now, plant design.
Plant design. It's your forte. I mean, your master's thesis was on plant design, so you tell me.
Yeah. So for me, it was like attend class and pass. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, yeah, I have to agree with you on some aspects. I think there was a lot of rote learning for me personally during my bachelor's.
But do you remember one of our faculties gave us some really nice assignments? So that doing those assignments in our masters really helped me with my internship. So
Okay, so what? Okay, yeah, we learned a lot of Excel. Like, yeah, that was good actually. Yeah, Manas sir, if you're watching this, yeah, yeah. So yeah, so what do you think? I think it's work for it and pass. Yeah, I think that's. What do you think?
yeah, sure, we should keep it there only. Yeah. Chemical technology.
It gives me nightmare honestly because in my bachelor's days, the professor didn't teach anything. He just said that okay, I'll draw these diagrams, just memorize them and write everything in the
Right?
exam.
I feel too much of rote learning in this subject.
I don't see the point honestly because honestly I don't remember anything. I mean maybe it's because of the Indian system. I don't know. Like so it gives me
Please,
nightmare honestly.
why a nightmare? Was
Why?
completely
See,
okay.
I'll be honest. Like during my bachelor's day, I used to be like last day of studies, right? I used to do that.
Okay.
Okay, that's my own. What do you say? Weakness. But yeah. So when it came to chemical process technology, you can understand what I went through on the last day of study. I was like dead, literally dead. So when I think about it, yeah, it's my fault. But hey, it gives me nightmares. So we can, if you have something else to say, we can, compromise on the standing.
Yeah, but it doesn't give me nightmare. It doesn't.
You have a good memory. What can I do?
It's not about memory, but yeah. Okay, let's keep it on number third.
Work for it and pass. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reaction engineering.
Why do all subjects give me nightmares?
I find it interesting.
What?
I find it interesting.
Okay. Um, See, the heterogeneous catalysis aspect, right, of chemical reaction engineering, at least the theoretical aspects. I mean, we have not dwelled too deep into the research and development side. So I don't know. This is purely based on what we have studied. So I think everything made sense, don't you think so?
Yeah, correct. I agree. So where should we keep it? Attend class pass?
I don't think it was attend class past, honestly. Do you remember the uh, different steps of different isotherms and different steps of reaction? Like I don't know, Michaelis-Menten equation. No, is that correct? No,
That wasn't. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
that's
yeah.
in
It
bio,
was some.
right? I don't remember. Let me see.
It was bio.
Bio. Oh damn. See, my memory kind of sucks, honestly. That's why I like modeling and simulation. Just two main equations. That's it. So, I think. mm, how about work for it and pass? Because it gives me nightmare, and for you, it's a 10 class pass. So we can clearly see
Okay.
who's the smarter one here. So
Petroleum technology.
petroleum.
Yeah.
I mean, I remember it fondly because
Even I remember it because I
Professor
remember
Badoni,
Bhagavad
yeah,
Gita. Yeah.
he taught us really well. So I can even go on to say Netflix and study, honestly.
Yeah, because
No, I think a
it
10
was
class pass was better, right?
mostly it was like that because we used to listen in the class very curiously.
Yeah, keenly we used to
There were
listen.
lot of facts and interesting things.
I agree.
So attend class and pass.
Wow, we're done.
Yeah, we are done.
So that sums up our college experience. Huh.
I think it's done, no? All
Yeah,
subjects.
I guess. Cool.
So that was our experience. Let's see what our audience has to say about it.
Yeah. Comment below which subject gave you nightmares. And this was just a fun video from our side.
Um,
What?
which subject made you feel like dumb?
Obviously, transport phenomena. Like, no question about
That,
it.
that's what I'm telling our audience to tell us
Oh,
which subject made you feel dumb.
okay. That I sounded dumb right now. Yeah, anyways, take care. Bye.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want us to do something else also, please feel free to tell us in the comment section below. And follow our Instagram page. The link is in the description box below. Last but not the least, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.